With wireless Apple CarPlay, you can enjoy the convenience of CarPlay without needing to take your iPhone out of your pocket to plug it in. When connecting for the first time, start by setting the vehicle power to accessory or on. When prompted, select OK. The Bluetooth pairing screen appears if there is no registered device. Check Do Not Show again. Next, you will be prompted to pair your smartphone via Bluetooth. Start by selecting Phone, followed by Connect New Device. From your phone's Bluetooth settings screen, select Acura. Confirm that the pairing codes on your phone and infotainment screen match. Choose your desired functions and then select Connect. Accept the confirmation requests. Then, your vehicle infotainment screen will prompt you to enable Apple CarPlay. Note that you cannot select audio and phone simultaneously. Acura Link Assist will enable by default as part of the setup. To use Apple CarPlay with Siri, first, press and hold the talk button on the steering wheel until the system responds. You can then use Siri to make phone calls, listen and respond to text messages, get directions via Apple Maps, and play songs. Note the following wireless Apple CarPlay system limitations. In vehicles equipped with the Wi-Fi hotspot capability, the iPhone must be connected to the vehicle by cable to use Apple CarPlay and the hotspot at the same time. Just be sure to make the connection before turning the ignition on.